It's time for me to clean my dishwasher to eliminate bad smell. Here I'm starting with the spinning arms to make sure that the holes are not clogged. I'm using a toothpick. Now I'm taking off the filter. It just pops out, mine. It's not that bad, but it's time for me to clean. I don't want to wait till it gets really dirty. So I'm just spraying vinegar water with a little dish detergent. And I'm going to use a microfiber rag here. I'm taking out the rest of the filter, wiping the end of the dishwasher. You see this black panel, I'm cleaning it. Just spray the microfiber with vinegar. You see how much dirt is coming out. Clean those black panels. Again, same thing, microfiber sprayed with vinegar. And guys, it's better to rinse off any excess food before you put your plates or silverware in your dishwasher. I'm cleaning the top also. Just spray with vinegar and dish detergent. Cleaning the wall. Cleaning the screen. And then I'm going to rinse. Here I go, rinsing it. And now I'm just putting it back. Now I'm going to clean the door. I want my dishwasher racks to be clean, so I'm going to have the dishwasher on with a cup of vinegar on the top rack. Here it's all clean. Thanks guys for watching.